Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul headlight. First, gather your tools, including a new headlight bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Next, open the hood of your Kia Soul to gain access to the headlight assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's remove the old bulb. First, find the electrical connector attached to the back of the headlight assembly and gently unplug it. Then, carefully remove the rubber dust cap that protects the bulb housing. Finally, depending on your specific model, you will either unclip or twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Handle the bulb by its base. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new headlight bulb into the socket, making sure not to touch the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Secure the bulb by either clipping it back into place or twisting it clockwise until it's firm. Reinstall the rubber dust cap and then firmly reconnect the electrical plug to the bulb. After installing the new bulb, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Check both your low beams and high beams to ensure everything is functioning as it should. If all looks good, you're done. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.